What's up, Pi Network pioneers? This month has been full of market twists and turns, and Picoin is at the center of some serious conversations. Is it rising? Is it falling? Or are we witnessing something much bigger? Maybe the quiet before a major storm? In this video, we're breaking down everything that's happened with Picoin in April, from price activity, community updates, ecosystem progress, and what you need to know before May hits. So make sure you stick around till the end, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're part of the Pi Network revolution. This month, the Pi Network has experienced a whirlwind of activity, captivating investors and enthusiasts alike. As the community eagerly awaited updates, the market saw fluctuations driven by growing interest and speculation. The introduction of new features sparked conversations across social media platforms, igniting a sense of optimism. However, with excitement came caution, as some investors analyzed the volatility. Overall, the Pi Network's performance this month reflects a blend of hope and uncertainty, leaving many eager for what lies ahead. 1. Price Performance Overview. Let's begin with the numbers. In the unofficial markets, Picoin has seen fluctuating trades ranging from $35 to as high as $80 in some OTC, over-the-counter markets, depending on location, demand, and platform. But here's the catch. These are not officially recognized exchanges. Pi is still in its enclosed Mainnet phase, meaning no official external trade is allowed. So the values we're seeing are based on user-to-user trust and community perception. Key highlights. April 3rd, spike in OTC activity following rumors about open Mainnet. April 7th, minor price dip due to a wave of selling from early adopters. April 10th, stabilization after a community update from the core team. While prices are holding in the black market, the real focus should be on Pi's usability and adoption, which we'll talk about in a minute. 2. Community sentiment and activity. If you're active in the Pi Network community, whether it's on Twitter, Reddit, Discord, or the Pi app, you've probably noticed one thing. People are getting restless. Major trends. Increased discussion about potential KYC completion deadlines. Worry and speculation about when open Mainnet will finally launch. A growing divide between early adopters and newcomers. Some pioneers are holding tight, believing Pi will become the next Bitcoin. Others are losing patience, especially with the delays and lack of clarity from the core team. Community voices, clips or text. I've mined for 3 years, still waiting on KYC. Open Mainnet needs to come or this project might collapse. Trust the process. Rome wasn't built in a day. 3. Developer ecosystem growth. Despite the frustration, something interesting is happening under the radar. The Pi ecosystem is expanding. Developers are building, and real utility is forming. Ecosystem highlights. Over 40 Pi-based apps actively being developed and tested. Merchants in Nigeria, Philippines, Vietnam, and Argentina accepting Pi for goods. PiChain Mall and other dApps seeing consistent engagement. Some developers have started integrating QR-based payments, making it possible to walk into certain shops and pay with Pi using just your phone. Examples: a bakery in Manila accepts Pi for bread and cakes. A tech store in Lagos offers phone accessories priced in Pi. This is where real value comes in. If people are using Pi, it becomes more than just a number on a screen. It becomes a medium of exchange. 4. KYC, Open Mainnet, and Core Team Updates. Arguably, the biggest factor affecting Pi's market performance is the delay in KYC verification and the official Open Mainnet launch. April Core Team Update Summary. Ongoing KYC rollouts with algorithm improvements. Open Mainnet launch still dependent on reaching sufficient KYC coverage. Focus on building a strong utility-based economy before full listing. Key insight. As of April 10th, only about 50 to 60% of active users have reportedly passed KYC. The core team insists they won't open the mainnet until at least 80% of active real users are verified. On screen, timeline graphics showing delays from Q4 2023 through Q2 2025. this cautious approach has a purpose. It's designed to protect the ecosystem from bot abuse and manipulation, but it's also causing impatience, and it's affecting unofficial market prices. 5. Regional market trends. Let's zoom into some of the most active pie markets in April. Top performing regions: Nigeria still leads in volume and merchant usage. Vietnam, strong grassroots development and local DApp growth. India and Philippines, rapid KYC adoption and rising merchant onboarding. In these countries, Pi isn't just a future investment, it's being used in daily transactions, bartering systems, and peer-to-peer trades. Unofficial exchange rates by region. Nigeria, 1 Pi equals 45 Os, $60 USD equivalent. Vietnam, 1 Pi equals $30, $50 USD. Philippines, 1 Pi equals 35 $55 USD. 6. Future outlook and price predictions. So, what's next? Let's talk predictions, not financial advice, but data-driven expectations. Bullish scenario. If Open Mainnet launches by June, price could spike to $100, $150 briefly due to listing hype. Major exchanges may observe and eventually list Pi if stability is shown. New wave of interest from broader crypto investors. Bearish scenario. If delays continue, unofficial markets may see Pi drop back below $25. Early adopters might lose confidence and sell OTC Pi at lower rates. Risk of stagnation in development community due to lack of monetization. Most likely, a gradual increase in utility with a slow but steady rise in value. Not a moonshot overnight, but a sustainable climb. 7. Final thoughts. Here's the bottom line. Pi Network is in a crucial phase. The market performance this month is less about the price and more about positioning. How well users adopt it, how fast KYC scales, and how strong the apps being built are. All these factors will decide where Pi Coin goes next. If you believe in Pi, now's the time to stay informed, keep building, and support your community. If you're waiting for moonshots, remember, good things take time. Drop a comment with your current Pi balance and where you're watching from. We want to see how global this revolution is. Subscribe, share, and turn on the bell. This is your Crypto Update channel, keeping you ahead in the Pi Network game.